Hello everyone. So in today's video I am going to tell you all how you all can use 3D images in Paint 3D, means 3D models in Paint 3D. So for that I need to use Paint 3D in my desktop. So I am going to start Paint 3D. I hope that you all are using Windows, because right now what I am going to tell is on Paint 3D. So let's search for Paint 3D. You can see I have Paint 3D button over here. I just clicked, give it some time to open. After opening, click on new project. Or if you need to edit some project, some kind of your old project, then you can choose that folder option. You can see now I have image of this cube thing. Now as I click, you can see I can choose for many. These are not only the things that we can choose, like let's say futuristic structure. Let's take this building. So you can see there are many types of these 3D models over here. So you can see it takes some time to load. So you can see to rotate it, just click on 3D viewer. Right now I'm on a trackpad, so I'm doing right click. For mouse it is mostly the same. So you can see it is 3D. You can see it's totally 3D. If you want something like, let me attach my mouse. So yes, I have attached my mouse. Now if we go to 3D library or stickers, we can make a 3D sticker also on it. Let's go on 3D viewer. Let's add a 3D sticker. You can see now, you can see it is now not over there. So let's just bring it right on this building. You can see now it can go side, in any side. Like if I'm watching from the front, let me zoom out a bit. It can come front, it can go back. You can see. And let me tell you that in Paint 3D, suppose let's add some kind of 3D shape. Not 3D, let's add a sticker of this ninja cat. Now means if I want to select this again, I click, it won't be selected. But if I do a right click and rotate it, you can see it is now attached to my canvas forever. Now if I want to move it, I need to select it. But on 3D you can just click them because they are not attached to anything. Yeah, you can do, but you can see it is not attached. If I attach it also, then also it doesn't gives me any error. Like you can see I have given a click, nice click, it's going through the page. It's right now, I think so, touching the page. You all can see it's gone through the page, but still, I'm saying the word still. If I click somewhere here, then now I select it again, you can see it is selectable. So that is one type of profit in Paint 3D. And you can add this thing to mixed reality. Right now I am not, but in my next few tutorials maybe I will tell you all this. Bye, and I'll meet you all in the next video.